Hello and welcome to Meditrix. In this video, we will demonstrate how to install a floor model X-ray machine. First, unpack the package containing the legs and the stand of the X-ray. Then use a 7/32 Allen key to tighten the bolts. Unscrew the bolts from the legs of the X-ray. Now position the legs, making sure the bigger legs are in the front and the smaller legs are in the back side of the X-ray. Tighten the bolts using the Allen key. Now insert the arms of the X-ray in the stand, making sure the connecting wire is out of the stand. Now cut the connecting wire and connect it with the 2-pin plug given in the package. Now connect the 3-pin and the 2-pin plug at the back of the timer. Now attach the timer to the stand of the X-ray. Unwarp the plastic cover. Put the plastic cover at the end of the arm of X-ray. Now carefully insert the head of the X-ray upright in the arm. Use the plastic connector to join them. Cover this connection with the plastic cover and tighten it with help of a screw. Now attach the cone to the head of the X-ray. You can fully operate your machine using your Dent-X remote. You can adjust the voltage using the voltage regulator given on the side of the timer. Thank you for watching.